Hi everyone. We've all heard of catfishing. That awkward moment someone realizes their online date isn't who they claim to be. But in the world of cybersecurity, this isn't just a social blunder. It's a high-stakes weapon known as catfishing. While traditional hackers try to break into your software, a catfisher tries to break into your trust. Today, we are going deep into how these social engineering experts manipulate emotions to steal data, corporate secrets, and millions of dollars. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot a digital ghost before they vanish with your assets. A successful catfishing operation isn't an accident. It's a calculated long game that follows a specific life cycle. First, there's the fabrication. Attackers don't just steal photos. They use AI to create hyper-realistic personas that mirror your interests. Next comes the grooming. This is the most dangerous phase. They don't ask for money on day one. Instead, they spend weeks, sometimes months, building rapport. They use love bombing or professional flattery to lower your defenses. Finally, once the trust is absolute, they move to the exploitation. This is the ask. It could be a wire transfer, a password, or a request to open a specific work file that contains a virus. Let's look at 3 ways this plays out in the real world. First, the pig butchering scam. This is a massive trend in investment fraud. The attacker fattens up the victim with fake friendship and promises of crypto wealth. They guide you to a fake trading platform that looks 100% real. You see your profits growing, you invest more, and then, poof, the person and your money disappear. Second, we have corporate espionage. Imagine you get a LinkedIn message from a recruiter at a rival firm. They seem perfect. They offer a huge salary and send you a PDF job description. But the moment you click that file, you've just let a Trojan horse into your company's entire network. And third, the most personal, sextortion. A catfish creates a romantic bond, convinces the target to share intimate media, and then immediately flips the script, demanding a ransom in Bitcoin to keep that media from being sent to your boss or family. So, how is this different from a standard phishing email? Standard phishing is a numbers game, sending a million emails hoping one person clicks a link. It's fast and urgent. Catfishing, however, is surgical. It is slow, highly targeted, and relies on human emotion rather than technical trickery. Because it's built on trust, the success rate for these attacks is significantly higher than a random spam email. Protecting yourself requires a zero-trust mindset. First, use reverse image search. Tools like Google Lens can tell you if that recruiter is actually a stock photo or a stolen profile from someone else. Second, use the video call test. If someone has a million excuses why they can't jump on a 30-second video call, they aren't who they say they are. Lastly, check their digital footprint. Does a senior marketing director only have 10 connections on LinkedIn? That's a massive red flag. Cybersecurity is as much about human psychology as it is about code. Stay skeptical, stay safe, and always verify before you trust. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button. Would you like me to show you exactly how to run a reverse image search to verify someone's identity? Let me know in the comments below.